Always be yourself. There's no one better. You have every right to a beautiful life. Everything happens for a reason, and something better will come along for me. Being yourself is all it takes. If you want to impress someone, don't be someone else, just be yourself. I was never the girl who thought I need to make sure I look like all the other girl. I think you look best when you stand out. When you take your step, your dream comes true. You see the sky with fluffy clouds. You take your breath. The flowers bloom. You belth your way to the top of the mountain. You see the sky, it leaves you nothing but bumps. The rain comes down, the lighting hits. You are the thunder, and your lighting, just deal with everything. Naturally. If there never was a night or day, and memories could fade away, then we'd be nothing left but the dreams we made. If you love something, set it free, and if it really loves you, it will find a way to come back. I need you here with me. We look for our love, but we don't find it in searching and searching. I really need you here with me. Boy, we're going round and round. You have the right to live a beautiful life. I believe in second chances, but I don't believe in third or fourth chances. I've heard the rumors, but you won't come clean. I guess I'm hoping it's because of me. I've gotten to the point where the label of best friend is so ridiculous. If you have 3 people in your life that you can trust, you can consider yourself the luckiest person in the whole world. Be yourself. It's the best thing you can be. I can make the stars dance. The older I've gotten, the more I've learned that I have to open myself up to all opportunities. Maybe I'll get burned and not meet the right people, but I won't know until I do it. I dive into the future, but I'm blinded by the sun. I'm reborn in every moment, so who knows what I'll become? You fall in love, and it completely consumes you. So a part of you is broken when that's gone. And part of you wants to have that rebellious feeling where you're just like, forget it. I can do anything I want. I've tried it, and I've never been that girl. I'm always going to be the girl you want to take home to your parents, not for the night. People do change. You said you loved me. I said I loved you back. What happened to that? I mess up a lot, but that's okay. Nobody's perfect. The selfish mind is the distracted mind, and the distracted mind is the easily oppressed mind. Success is nothing if you don't have the right people to share it with. You're just gonna end up lonely. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe now.